दोस्तों हमारे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करिएगा और बेल आइकन को दबाइए ताकि जब भी हम नए वीडियोस डालें आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए।
Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn about the switch statement. So the switch statement is a multi-way branch statement and it can be used as an alternative for a long if-else statement. Here we check the value of a variable and corresponding case will get executed. Now say the syntax for the switch statement. So here choice is the variable and we can define cases inside like this. And this variable here must be an integer type or character type. Other data types like float or string are not allowed. Now let us see how the switch statement works. It will check the cases one by one from the top, and if any case matches, the particular block will get executed. So here, if choice equal to 1, then case 1 will get executed. And if none of them match, then the default case will get executed. Here, if choice is not equal to 1, then we check if it is equal to 2. And if it is not equal to 2 also, then the default case will get executed. Now let us see an example program which implements a simple calculator using switch case statement. So first, we are declaring three integer variables num1, num2 and choice. Then we are asking the user to enter the numbers or the operands. So let the numbers entered by the user be 10 and 20 and it is stored to num1 and num2 respectively. Now we print a menu and ask the user to enter a choice. So if the user press 1, we need to perform addition. If the user press 2, we need to perform subtraction. If the user press 3, we need to perform multiplication. And if the user press 4, we need to perform division. And suppose user enters 3 and it is stored to variable choice. Now the switch statement will work and the variable choice will be compared with each case value. Case 1 is not matched, so we check case 2. It is also not matching, so we go on and check case 3. Now we have a match, so the statements in case 3 will get executed. So 10 into 20 will be calculated and printed. Next we have a break, so it will terminate the switch statement. Now suppose user entered 7 and it is stored in choice. So when switch get executed, case 1 is not matching, case 2 is not matching, case 3 is also not matching, and even case 4 is not a match. So the default case will get executed and it will print enter a valid choice. So if there is no match, the default case will be executed. Now let us discuss about the need for break in switch statement. Let us take the same program without break statements. So suppose user enters 2 as the choice. So when switch get executed, first it will check case 1, there is no match. So it will check case 2 which is matching. So the statements in case 2 will get executed. So num2 is subtracted from num1 and the difference will be printed, and along with that all the following cases will also get executed. So the break statement is used to terminate the switch case execution. If we don't use break statement and if a case matches, then the statements following that case will execute until a break statement is reached. This is also called fall through in the switch case. Now let us discuss some benefits of the fall through feature. Let's take the classic example. You must be familiar with this question. Are you sure you want to delete? Then press small y or capital Y or small n or capital N. Here we need to execute the same piece of code for small y and capital Y and so for small n and capital N. We can achieve this by using the fall through feature. Here if the user enters small y or capital Y, the same piece of code will be executed, and if the user enters the small n or capital N, this piece of code will be executed, and if user enters any other input, then the default case will be executed.